Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Hands cover up. Cover up. Stretch your hands. Inside. Hands up. Inside. Hands down. Steady. Attention. Steady. Attention. Okay, I want to call our respected Vice Principal sir on the shift to give some information.
Thank you, Governor. Standards. Attention. Cover up. Please don't touch your friends and show your optimum discipline. No talking. Hands side. Others, make your hands straight. Hands up. Hands side. Hands down. Standards. Attention. Standards. So children, have you got the information and notice for third term examination? So evaluation is a regular process. Anupam focuses on standard evaluation. We don't only believe on 3 hours examination. There is continuous evaluation system as well. We have developed the form continuous assessment system, CAS system, from grade 4 to grade 7. Grade 8, it is 50%, and 9 and 10, it is 25%. This time onwards, there will be next examination as well. There will be Viva of each subject. Viva means some questions will be asked orally to you, and it provides you 25 marks. You have to be smart in all areas, not only in cheating. I found some of the students are very smart in cheating others' activities. Before the examination, they don't practice. We request them, okay, practice, you do. And during exam time, looking here, there, and trying to get the help. It's not possible. So, you must focus on study, and you have to be smart in reading, writing, listening, and speaking. So this time we have kept speaking test as well. So this is Viva. Next time we will keep others. Reading test also and listening test. Because these are international accepted examinations. You have heard about IELTS, TOEFL. So children are judged in 4 areas. That's why focus on studies. I hope you might have got the syllabus. Have you got the syllabus or not? If you haven't got till now, please ask tomorrow to your subject teachers, and it must be written in your diary. What do you write? In diary, and there must be your subject teacher's signature. Friday I will collect all diary and check whether you have written correctly or not. Some of the escapers are here. They don't carry the message to their parents. You are the messengers as well. And this notice and information, please paste in such a place where you can see it clearly. And focus on writing, not only rote learning. We will have revision classes, but remember, those are very, very important because most of the questions will be asked from there. But don't depend only upon those all things. Focus on those syllabus or chapters given by the subject teacher. Attention. What happened, Master Khadga? Studies. Attention. Standard is the active graded girls. Attention. Dismiss. Okay. March time.